Hey guys, so it's really late, but I just wanted to give a quick update on how I made my DIY bridesmaid proposal boxes. For all of these boxes, I have a custom note and it has a bath bomb, it has one succulent, one stemless glass champagne flute with a customized name for each of my girls, and this one is actually in rose gold. And these two lollipops, and these lollipops are really cool because they contain seeds in them, and you can actually grow plants with the seeds inside the lollipop afterwards. So I'm very curious to see how these seeds will grow. So hopefully it works and my girls will be able to grow them. Anyway, I thought this was really cute and just a little bit more personal, fun, and unique. Hey guys, so I just got an alert that the packages that I ordered from Etsy for my bridesmaid boxes have been delivered. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ordered, and I will show you guys the DIY of how I prep my bridesmaid boxes shortly. So I got the magnetic boxes, stuffing, and paper mache flowers from Michael's Craft Store. The customized champagne flutes and bath bombs are both from Etsy. The blooming lollipops are from Uncommon Goods, and then I just got the succulents at Lowe's. So the first thing I had to do was to construct all the little boxes in which the bath bombs are going to be in. I kept the boxes because I thought they were really cute, and on the lid it says, "Will you be my dot dot dot?" And then I think once you open it, the bath bomb has a little sticker that says bridesmaid or maid of honor on it. In hindsight, I wouldn't have purchased these bath bombs just because I didn't like the packaging of how it came. These bath bombs smelled great, but I thought that the word bridesmaid or maid of honor would be printed directly onto the packaging, but it turns out that it was just a sticker, and the sticker was on top of the plastic packaging, which wasn't really what I envisioned or expected. And here is what the first finished box looks like. Here is a slower close-up, and I think ultimately I decided to place the succulent so that it's facing upright instead of on its side. I wanted my box to contain different things in it, and I want all the gifts to represent different things. So the champagne flute obviously is for a celebratory purpose and it's fun. Definitely we're going to pop some bubbly, and I think everyone can use a drink to unwind and relax. I think the succulent is really cute because, you know, it's kind of trendy right now, but it's also easy to grow, and that one was actually really important to me because I wanted it to represent our friendship, because I want our friendship to continue to grow and become stronger throughout this whole process. And I appreciate all my friends being there for me, and I am looking forward to their support. In terms of the lollipop, it's something sweet, but those lollipops actually contain seeds in them, which is really cool because, like, if they want to, they can actually grow the seeds and turn it into a plant. So hopefully that works out. And the bath bomb is just purely for them to relax because, you know, at the end of the day, we want everyone to have fun. The box itself is really pretty. It has a bridal theme, kind of. Like, I envision that this is kind of like a bouquet that my girlfriends will be holding. And it says thankful, which I am very thankful for my friendships with my bridesmaids, obviously. And yeah, I just think that it's a great fit, and it's very pretty. And it also has a magnetic closure, so that's really nice. I had so much fun making these boxes, and I really liked how they turned out. Hopefully this gave you some inspo if you plan on making your own bridesmaid proposal boxes as well. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.